Hello, Rishabh.
Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Devasha, hi.
Hello,
We
Rishabh.
can get started.
Yeah.
Able to hear me? Hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
Hi.
Hello.
Okay. Okay. Let's get started with the interview.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. So can you please explain me the latest work which you have done? It would be better if we can share your screen, entire screen, not the window,
Okay, sure.
and then open a draw tool and draw the diagram and show it to me the latest work which you have done.
Okay, sure. So, like I have created multiple APIs, so can I create API? Hello.
You've created only the APIs.
No, not only APIs, but recently I have created APIs and I have implemented API gateway, caching, many features I have developed.
Mhm. Can you
Hmm.
Can you explain me the system, basically the system design of the service for which you have used, for which you have created, for which you have created the APIs? I think that was part of that was just one service, right? What about multiple services?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Can you draw the diagram?
Yeah, sure.
So what are the microservices? When you've written microservices, what are the various microservices for which you've worked on?
So there are multiple microservices like deploy microservices are there, and and other microservices also there. Health microservices also there, and 2 and 3 microservices only there. Most of the time I have work only deploy microservices. So most of the time like I have worked on OVF project, so like observability framework, so it is mainly used for log monitoring. So there we use Java technology for backend development, and we use MySQL database for storing data. Suppose when we can say like it is a internal project, like suppose in my organization many applications are there. When we deploy our application on production, so that time we are not able to see logs on production, so that's why deploy microservices came in role. So with the help of this microservices we can see logs after deployment also on production. So suppose we create one
How
microservice.
can
Yes.
how how can you see logs using microservice of another microservice?
Yes, sir. Suppose we create one microservice. Suppose like user service we created. So first, first we build that one microservice. So like we can create logs. So we can store that log in one file. So with the help of FileBeat, we can read that particular file with the help of FileBeat, and after that we store the log inside the Elasticsearch. in the form of indexes form, and with the help of Kibana we can read particular that file, that logs.
Can you tell me what is the difference between encryption and hashing?
So hashing is a technique. So with the help of hashing, like we can store value like key value pair, and it is we can say like synchronized, and internally it use hashing technique. So there we use hash code. So with the hash code mainly used for like it to convert a hexadecimal object address into the uh, integer format. So it is called hashing. And and encryption, yeah, encryption we use like when like protect data, so it can be read, we can say.
Okay, cool. Now, um, what are the design patterns you have worked upon?
So in Java, I have worked singleton design pattern, factory design pattern, and in microservices I have worked with like circuit breaker and saga pattern, API gateway, service registry. That design pattern I have used.
So, what is the design pattern predominantly used in Spring Boot?
So design, we can say like saga design pattern we are using here. So like it is a sequence of local transaction. If
No, hold on.
mhm.
In Spring Boot, what is the predominant design pattern?
Singleton design pattern, like we can say like only one object create inside the singleton design pattern, and uh,
So,
that
who will
one.
manage the life cycle of the object in Spring Boot?
So IOC container are there. So with the help of dependency injection, we can do it.
What are the various ways of the dependency injection?
So there are like field constructor injection, field based, and one more is setter also.
Okay. So let's suppose if I want to create one, if I want to create a custom object,
Mm-hmm.
all right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm, let's say the class is defined in a library. Now I import the class in my current service, and I
Mm-hmm.
want to create the object of that class,
Mm-hmm.
but I want it to be singleton. Then how will I do it in the current service? So you understood the question? So there is a library in which there is a class defined.
Mm-hmm.
Now there is a service which uses this library.
Yes, yes.
Okay, now I have to create the object in one of the beans.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
However, I do not want this object to be created multiple times. It has to be singleton. Then how will I create?
Yeah, so they are
Where will
like,
I create? What is the pattern of creating the this object?
yeah, so there we are using at the rate v annotation, and it means spring creator object and manager all the things. So we can say
No,
like,
no.
yeah. So at the rate component
So
or
this
the,
is this class is present in the library. So you understand the library or the package, right? In Spring Boot.
mm, yes, yes, sir.
Yes. No.
Pack,
Okay. Then
mhm. Package I know, but library we can say like we can say one dependency we add inside it. Inside we
I
can say
think
jar are there.
Varsha.
Yeah.
Okay, Varsha. I think I'm pretty much done with the interview. We are still hiring. All right. Probably you can apply back to us after you have cleared your basics in like next 2 months. But for now, it's a no. All right.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye.